Hello, this is Liz with Crafty Devotion, and today I'm going to show you my latest project. I just finished designing these two new tattered decor dresses. Now, I make these as you can use these as a Christmas ornament if you like, or you can use them as a room decor. You can hang them in your room. You can collect these, or you can design your own. One of the things I plan to do is I plan to make one of these into a kit. This is the one I plan to make into a kit. This one will be finished in my shop. I love this green color on this one. The green that I brought out from this fabric. And I only have a small amount of this fabric. It's a vintage new fabric, and I turned it into this dress. And then here's the one that I'm going to make a kit for. Now my kits, they come with everything you need to make this, and it's actually the exact amount of things, maybe a tiny bit over, but mostly sometimes I put a few choices in there. Like I think I added a different extra blings. I made about a dozen kits, so they're limited quantity. And so this is the one that will be a kit, and you will find everything here in the kit. So you find me as Crafty Devotion on Etsy. And usually down below in the description box of this video, when I designed these, my original dresses were tattered, and people seem to really love the tattered dresses, and I call them my rag dresses. And they are not made to go on dolls. These are made only as a decor. Let's see, down below, as you can see, it will be tattered and shabby. You can see the raw edges. So if you purchase a kit, it will depend how shabby you want it. If you want to take off some of the shabbiness, or you can even iron the strips if you want. But I will show you that in the tutorial. Those of you who purchase a kit to make this, you will also get a detailed tutorial teaching you detailed how to make this dress. I may follow up with the 5-minute quick tutorial so you guys can see how I made it, but I have so many tutorials on how I design my dresses that those of you who want to try and make your own can make your own. I also have in my shop, the hangers are in my shop. I'm getting low on hangers, and then I also sell the bodices. I think I put 2 in a set for under $5. I don't remember, but I cut these out, and I designed the size, and I just designed them to fit perfectly with the hanger. That's what I did. But some of you can do that yourself. There are people who can create their own dress from my ideas. And if you want to see tutorials, I have a lot of old tutorials on my YouTube channel. And then I'm starting to just make maybe 5-minute tutorials, and then I'm also going to only provide the detailed tutorials to the people who purchase my kits. So this is the one that will be the kit, and as you can see, it doesn't have a whole lot of lace, but it does have lace. You can see there's some little pink lace here on each side, and then I decided right now, right before I came on, to add these beads. These beads I carry in my Etsy shop. I also have supplies in my Etsy shop, so if you're looking for lace, or I carry mostly lace and blings, but I do have a section for vintage. So if you go in my shop, look into categories, and click a category, you will find the categories for laces, trims, and jewelry, crafting jewelry. I like to provide crafting jewelry, and you'll find that in my shop. Here you'll see that the bottom layer is a chiffon, and it's a tattered chiffon. It's torn. And then on top I have rags and strips of torn fabric in here. And then on top I have this beads, and I do have this one in my shop. And then here along the waistline, you'll see that there's some lace, and I'll show those of you who purchase one how to do it. The sleeves are a beautiful little ruffled ribbon, and this is the piece that I don't have any more of. I just had one roll. I might try to look for more. If I find more, I might make a few more dresses. But I do have about, I don't know, 15, something like that. 12, I don't remember exactly. I got to count them still. And you can see it actually is a 3D piece. And the back looks like this. It's just nice and pink, and it has a little rose there, although I provide like a couple of other choices for you to choose for the back. And you will get all the things you see here, the hanger, the bodice that goes with it, and a lot of other pieces. And I will show you in detail how to make this in another video. I hope you like my designs, and I will talk to you guys next time.